It's Cass. So I just arrived here to come shoot my Triller video, and I'm really excited. I am shooting it to my Whoopie remix. It's really lit. Like, y'all gonna love it. You gonna vibe out to it. But I am here now, just arriving. I'm about to go get changed out, get my wardrobe changed, and fix myself up and be ready for my Triller video. I know it's going to be really exciting. This is my first time shooting my very first Triller video, so I know it's going to be really dope and different, and I just can't wait. So I need you guys to stay tuned and be ready for my Triller video to my Whoopty remix. Okay, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all social media at It's Cass. That's ITSZKAS. And I just want y'all to know that I am also going to be dropping remixes, and I have an Ain't for Freestyle that it is called, and that is what's going to be hashtagged. And I need you guys to jump on the Ain't for Freestyles, because baby, we about to be dropping freestyle after freestyle after freestyle. Okay, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all social media at It's Cass, ITSZKAS. Mwah. Like a soldier. I had to bounce up. I see it's in his feelings, don't give a damn. I'm just sticking to the business plan. Skin butter like Timberland. Coochie pink like Killer Cam. I only mess with them wealthy niggas. Make them spin like a ceiling fan. I smile white like Becky. I'm independent like Webby. I remember I was fucked up, crashing on sofas. Got mouths to feed, so I'm out here like a soldier. I had to boss up and tell the hating hoes that it's over. Cause I'm out here like no limit. I thought I told you. It's over. Okay, you guys, what's up? It's your girl, Cass. Oh, it's the hair. Look, you know things get a little crazy when you shoot, you know what I'm saying? See how your girl look. I gotta do 360, huh? Okay, girl, see you. Alright, so look, just wrapped up doing my Triller video, and then, well, just wrapped up the first little part of it. Now I'm about to do the second part, and with the second part, I'm about to change my wardrobe. So I'm about to change my whole little outfit. Y'all see I got the all white going on because I'm feeling godly. Whoop. Okay. But no, for real, I'm about to change my outfit. So let me get changed into that, and then y'all can tell me how my look number 2 look. Okay, because this is my look number 1. Hey, number one. Oh, let me get the shoes. Okay, the jeans tight, so I can't really get the leg up. But look, I will be back for the second look. Okay, goodbye. Okay, so I have gotten into this nice comfy dress, and this is my second look. So I need y'all to tell me, what do you think about the second look, and which was your favorite? Did you like the first look better, or do you like this look better? Me, I don't know. I like all of the looks, okay? You know, I picked it out, so it's always so cute. No, just kidding. No, but I think I like the first set better because it was the all white. But I also like this set too because I'm always like trying to be colorful, because I love to jump into black. So I'm trying to stay out of the black and get some color in my life. So I got some orange going on here in a little brown, little bright orange. Yeah, it's cute though. Okay, well, that is my second look, and then I will let you guys see my third look. So we will be back all over again, just so your girl can change the clothes all around. and finish up the shoot. Okay, so I'll be back. Peace for now. I'm just sticking to the business plan. Skin butter like Timberland. Coochie pink like Killer Cam. I only mess with them wealthy niggas. Make them spin like a silicon. I ran off from the plug twice, but you barely made it to the middleman. Niggas tell me I'm sexy. Woo! It's Cass. Okay. I see what's going on. He in his feelings, I don't give a damn. I'm just sticking to the business plan. Skin butter like Timberlands. Coochie pink like Killer Cam. I only mess with them wealthy niggas. Make them spin like a silly fan. I ran off from the plug twice, but you barely made it to the middleman. Niggas tell me I'm sexy. Your nigga all on my bestie. If I see a nigga I like, I'ma snipe his ass like Wesley. Got mob ties like Pesky. My heart on ice like Gretzky. My smile white like Becky. I'm independent like Webby. I remember I was fucked up, crashing on sofas. Got mouths to feed, so I'm out here like a soldier. I had to boss up and tell these hating hoes that it's over. Cause I'm out here like no limit, I thought I told you. It's over. Okay, you guys, so just wrapped up on doing my Triller video. Okay, it was really that was my first time shooting a Triller video, but it was really fun and exciting. For the first part, I was able to wear my all white, you know what I'm saying? Your girl was standing up, twerking and doing a little pop smoky smoke dance. No, but I was real cute. And then I got another outfit with my dress on, and then I just finished doing my vlog. So I got a lot of things that I just finished wrapping up, and I got a lot of things that I'm also working on. So I need you guys to stay tuned and understand that it's about to go down. It's gonna be hit after hit and vlog after vlog and this after this and that after that, and it's just gonna be crazy. But how y'all like my hair color and my hair? Let me know now. You know, I be trying to stay cute or whatever. Make sure when y'all shooting the Triller video, if it's your first time like it was for me, make sure you got some good lighting. Make sure it's at good angles. Make sure when you shooting your Triller video, you doing what it is that you want to do and you doing it well. Make sure you stop it and start it if you need to. Girls, ladies, touch up your makeup. Girls, you gotta touch it up because it got the stop button for you to stop and the start button for you to start back, baby. And I'm telling you, it really is fun. Like, ladies, you get to look at yourself so much and just see how flawless and beautiful you are as you just kill it. Y'all see me, I'm just letting y'all know what's going on as I'm leaving. Your girl freshly out. Hey. But yeah, shooting Triller videos is real exciting and very creative because it actually shuffles the videos for you and it aligns the words with exactly what you're saying. So I think that's real dope. So yeah, shout out to them Triller videos. Triller. Oh yeah, make sure y'all go listen to my new remix Whoop-Dee, okay? It is on SoundCloud, it is on YouTube, it is on, matter of fact, it's on all streaming platforms. How about that? It's on all of them. It's everywhere. Everywhere you type in, it's there. Instagram, you type it in, it's there. You know what I'm saying? It is there. It's on Triller. So make sure y'all go make y'all videos to it as well. I want to see those videos. Make sure you hashtag it's Cass. You hashtag Cash the Shark. You hashtag Whoop-Dee Remix by Cass. You know, like, go do that. Yes, because it is out now. Yes, lit.